through a language. Obviously, a lot of people that I had met in the past were trying to go through New Zealand's graduated driver licensing system. You know how there's this 3-step process: learners, restricted, and the full. Now, as we know with a lot of our people, they're good at the practical side of things. They're good at driving, but they couldn't get past that first stage which is the learners, mainly because of the language barriers. It's great that NZTA now have introduced the theory test in Ngana Samoa, Lea Whakatonga, and now Fijian language as well, and different other languages. But for DriveStar, we brought this out in place because there was no other school out there that was able to do what we can do now, and we're just grateful for the opportunity to be able to do so. We've got people that are doing the theory training now. So they train from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and they do the actual theory test on Friday morning at VTNZ. What we believed was we didn't want to drag the course out and make it like a 3-week or a 4-week because it's just too long, and as we know, our people get tired of attending classes or going to something that's too long. So we took that input or that advice from our previous students, and they said, "Matt, make it short." So we did, and we do all the paperwork, the admin side of things, and we brief them on what to expect on testing day and so forth. So that way, when it comes to presenting ourselves to VTNZ, they're all set and confident, which is the most important thing.
Well, DriveStar actually works in partnership with the Community Driver Licensing Workshop. I started this program at our church at House of Bread, Samoan AOG in Ōtara. I feel that gaining a learner's license is a huge achievement and a stepping stone for people to be able to move on to their journey in terms of finding employment or being able to transport their family members to church, to schools, to work.
Yeah, so what we've done is we've put some of the key tasks that you are assessed on in practical driving into virtual reality. And so you can practice in a safe environment, but it gives you that whole 360 spatial computing experience that you would have in a real car. So, you have to really check your blind spot, check your mirrors, and you're driving a real car. So the acceleration, the braking, the turning, and each task is assessed by the software, and then you get feedback.
Like we all know, not everyone has access to a car or the finance to have an instructor teach them. So we're hoping using this technology will level the playing field a little bit.
So we've recently just returned from a trip down to Hastings where a lot of people had asked for us to come down since last year. Now, when we sent out our registration, 31 participants registered. So we went down, and what was meant to be like a 3-week course with some other people, we did ours in 3 days. So it took them 3 days, and these were people that are RSC workers. We've had people that were on the benefit for a long time. We've had people that have been driving for more than 10 years. Never had a license because they couldn't get past that first stage, and we were able to get them their overseas license converted, whether it be a Samoan license or an Australian license, and some people with their learner's license as well. So that was 31 people, clean sweep.
You can sign up if you go onto the Community Driver Licensing Workshop page or the DriveStar web page. We have a QR link there that you can sign up, or you can contact us through the messenger and we can send you the link through there.